Hello everybody, this is Michelle Litwiller with OWLET Stampers. It is Thursday afternoon at just after 4 o'clock, and I am popping on live because last night I was working on Valentine's Day box with my daughter, and then we had to have dinner, and anyway, it just went really late. So I am popping on now to do your video. Okay, so if you hop on, please say hi so I know you're here. If you're watching the replay, you can also say hi, or if you're watching on YouTube, you can also comment and you can like my channel or subscribe, so then you get notified anytime I do a video. Hi, Mary Ellen. Hi, Janice. Thanks for joining me. So, I know tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and some of you might already have gifts. Some of you might not have gifts. Some of you might hate Valentine's Day. I personally love Valentine's Day. I always have. I just like hearts. And so I made a cute little box that you can whip up really quick. I know a lot of you have a lot of these supplies on hand. And then the awesome thing is you can create this box for anything. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. So you could totally change the paper and make it for birthday or for Easter or Mother's Day, spring, whatever you want. So this is what we're going to make. And in just a second, I'm going to show you what's inside, because you might be able to find the contents inside. Again, you can put anything you want in there. But I'm going to show you what I found, some really cute things, and I had just been meaning to make a box for this. And so I made this about an hour ago, and so I wanted to show you how to do that. Okay. All right. So I think we're ready to go. Don't forget, if you want to order any of these supplies, Celebration is going on, and this is a host code that you can use. I'm going to be using a lot of the products from the From My Heart suite, which I know a lot of you already have, the coordinating heart punch pack, the stamp set, and the paper. And then we're using Real Red. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're making. And what you need is one sheet of Real Red cardstock. And out of that sheet, actually you need 2 sheets. This is going to be the bottom, and this is the top of our box. And then we're going to make a little insert to go inside as well. So the first thing you need is your paper trimmer. Thanks for sharing, Elizabeth, and joining me. And this piece is just 5.5 by 8.5. So that's just one sheet of cardstock cut in half. And you're going to go ahead and score it at 1 inch all the way around. So 5.5 by 8.5 and score it at 1 inch all the way around. And I'll put these measurements on my blog as well, so you will have them. Then you're just going to take your bone folder and you're going to fold along these edges. So I had picked up some cute little things at the Dollar Tree. And I've been there, and I did see them still. So you might be able to find them. So this is our bottom of our box, and you're just going to take some snips, and we're going to cut up these lines. Just going to cut a little wedge out like that, and then come over here. I just think this would be so cute with that birthday bonanza paper, with those cute little animals, or it would be really cute with just any of our paper. Okay, so this is the bottom of our box, and I wanted it to be a rectangle, and I'll show you why in a minute. So we have our flaps. Like here, you're going to put glue here and here. You want some strong glue because you're making a box, and then we will put our glue tabs, and then you'll just put this up and attach your sides. All right. So for our lid measurement is, so here's the bottom of our box, just like this. Again, you could do any color you wanted. I wanted Valentine's Day. So the top of our lid measures 5 inches by 8, and it is scored at 3/4 of an inch all the way around. And I already did that ahead of time. So it's 5 inches by 8 inches, and it's scored at 3/4 of an inch. And we're just going to do the same thing we did for our top. And the fun part is what is inside, but I don't want to open this up and show you yet because it's tied shut. But you'll be able to see some fun little products I picked up. And again, you can put anything you want. So exactly the same concept for the top. This does fit really snugly. Snugly? It's snug. I don't know if that's a word. It fits very snug anyway. But it doesn't, it looks really nice. Hi, Karen. Okay, so we're doing the same thing we did for the bottom, and then we're exact same thing. You're going to put your adhesive on these little tabs to create the top. The next thing we're going to do is make an insert for the inside. Again, this part is optional, but I wanted my little contents to have a little space. So for the top, I'm not going all the way. Oh, I'm not pulling it super tight because it's going to go over. You know, I'm not just going, I'm leaving just a hair so it fits nicely. Okay, so here is the top of our box, just like this. So now I'm going to make an insert for the inside, and this measures, this was kind of tricky because I just kept kind of winged it a little bit. It measures 3.5 inches by, let me see, I already forgotten. 8 1/8. So I hate the 1/8 measurements. I always do 1/4 inches, but it's 8 1/8 by 3.5. And you're going to score it at, okay, I scored it at 3 1/4. And then I scored it at 4, just under 4 1/4. And then at 5 inches. So those are your marks, and then you're going to fold it, and it's going to come together like this. See how it's like a V? So we're going to just add some glue here. Take your little bone folder, crease it really good, and then so it's kind of like this. And then I'm going to add some glue here, and then this should fit in our bottom if I did it right. If my math works out correctly. So kind of like this. Okay. So now I'm going to actually show you what's in here, and then we're going to decorate our box. So again, you can put whatever you want in here, but ta-da! Do you see what I have in here? So I know I'm going to get asked where I got these. I got all of these contents at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. And they had, this is the packaging because I just opened it. They're makeup sponges, and they're in heart shapes. So I bought a package of those. So those are kind of just cute. Those can go right there. Makeup sponges. Then I bought this cute little heart lip balm. And that was same brand. It was all like kind of together. It's made by this New Color. So heart-shaped lip balm. It says rosy scent. I don't know, it probably smells maybe not very good, but it's cute. And then I bought, or wait, no, this is lip-shaped lip balm. So this came in here. See, lip balm. And then the heart one is the same. It's the same scent. So I got 2 lip balms, and then I bought this matte lipstick. Look at the top. Can you see it? It's a heart. Oh my gosh. I just thought it was so cute. I don't know if it's just fun. So I bought that. And then the last thing I bought that's not in here, I bought this, I bought it for the packaging. Look at this. It's mascara. And I just thought it was cute. And again, all at the Dollar Tree, and this could fit in there too if you wanted. But I literally bought it for the packaging. That's it. So you could put candy in here. You could put a pair of socks. You could, if you can't find these exact products and you want them, you could just go to your whatever local drugstore, Rite Aid, Walgreens, and pick up your favorite chapsticks or whoever you're giving this to, and give them that as well. So anyway, that's what I have inside here. And then we're going to decorate our box lid. So here is our lid. So you're going to cover this up. So, of course, I'm having like issues on camera getting my lid on. Okay, so now we have our lid on, and we're going to decorate the top. So I took that from my Heart Designer series paper, and this measures 3 1/4 by 6 1/4. And we're going to stick this down to the top, just like this. And then I took our red cotton ribbon right here, and I'm going to make sure it's on good. I'm going to wrap this around the box this way, and then I'm going to tie a bow. And again, you can decorate this however you like, and it would be fun to see the different colors and papers. So that is my little bow, and I'm just going to tighten it and cut this. And then the last thing I did is I took our heart doilies, and that seems sweet. I took one of the Flirty Flamingo ones. And then we're going to use the stamps, and I have Real Red ink. So here's the stamp set, the bundle, the heartfelt bundle that comes with the coordinating punches. So I know a lot of you have this already, and if you don't, you still have time to get it because hearts are good for any time of the year. We're going to use that paper, and we're going to punch out one of these red foil hearts. See how it's so fun, it just punches out like that. And then I have a piece of Whisper White scrap, and I need I have Real Red and Flirty Flamingo here. So the outline of my heart, I'm using it has little dots. So I have Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to stamp this here. And then I'm going to take Real Red, my Real Red that matches my cardstock and my ribbon. Flirty Flamingo matches my little heart doily. That's why I love Stampin' Up. I love the coordination, the products. Can't make a wrong choice. So I stamped up Love You Lots. And again, you could use any of these sentiments in here. There's one that says Happy Valentine's Day, From My Heart to Yours, or any stamps that you have. I just love this one. I'm trying to not get my head in the camera view and stamp this. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my punch here. And we're going to punch this out. Thanks for joining me this afternoon. I know it's not my normal time, and I know a lot of people can't watch me because of that. So I appreciate you sharing this, and hopefully people will see it after work and whatnot. So I'm going to attach, before I attach this, I already went ahead and I stamped this arrow in real red on a scrap of white, and I hand cut it out already, so you don't have to watch me do that, but I just hand cut that arrow out in red. And so I'm going to stick that on here with some glue. So I'm just going to take this, a strip of glue, put this little arrow down. Then on the back of this, it needs to be moved over just a tad. Maybe not if I rip it. Okay, just a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on the back of the heart. And then this is going to go on here like so, just like that. And then I'm going to put 2 on the back of here. And then I'm going to put that on this little doily heart. And then lastly, okay, so I don't want this to stick to my ribbon so they can open it. So what I'm going to do is put a dimensional on the top and the bottom so the ribbon can freely move and they can undo this and open up the package. So I'm going to put one at the top and one at the bottom. And then I'm going to put this on here like so. And there is our cute little box. So if you missed it, I'm gonna, I'll open it real quick. But I want to show you a cute little gift I got this weekend from my friend Janelle. I had it out. Oh, here it is. So I do craft weekends 4 times a year in Lansing, Michigan with my upline Rhonda. I work with her. And anyway, we just love them. They're so much fun. A lot of work, but fun. And anyway, my friend Janelle likes to surprise us with some gifts. And so she brought me this weekend, and it's just using the same products that I just use. She used Balm, and then it says, "So lucky to have a friend like you," which is in that same stamp set. And she made this cute box, and look at it. It opens up, and she has 2 ink pens in here. One says Inspire and one says Teach. They're the Rae Dunn. She also got me hooked on Rae Dunn, the mugs and stuff. So that was just a cute little Valentine like gift that I got this weekend. So again, using our Real Red cardstock and that fun, pretty designer series paper in the same product. So I just wanted to show you that. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. Again, you just open this up, take off the lid, and inside you can have a fun little gift for your Valentine, or you can again make this for any occasion. And you can put any products you want in here, but I just liked that little insert. So thank you for joining me. Next week, just a quick reminder, it's not a reminder, I'm reminding you now. Next week I will not be here live. I'm going to be in San Antonio, Texas. Me and my husband are going to Waco in San Antonio. And so I will not be here with a video, but hopefully I'll be posting some pictures for you. And I hope you enjoyed this project. If you make it, post your pictures below. And if you want to order any products, here's the link. And I'm also going to be sending out my online class. It's going to be a honeybee class, and that will be going out in the next day or 2. I've just been behind with all this sickness. So anyway, I hope be on the lookout for that. If you have any questions about anything or you want to join my team, give me a message, and I would love to help you do that as well. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you soon. Bye.